Hi friends, I'm Bear. I am big, friendly, and sometimes a little silly.
And I'm Fox, clever, quick, and here to help you have fun.
You're going to try so many amazing challenges.
Let's take a peek at some of the fun things you might be doing.
Along the way, you'll be building independence. For example, by helping to tidy up your toys and keep your space organized. A fun way to learn responsibility while playing. You'll also have chances to get creative, like in the fruit and veggie kebab adventure with Fox, where you can make colorful and tasty kebabs, try new combinations, and share your ideas with others. There are opportunities to practice maths and writing skills, like in activities where you write your name, count objects, or learning about money by setting up a pretend shop. You'll share your ideas and stories too, for instance by talking about your day, explaining what you discovered, or showing someone something you made. And you'll get to explore the world around you, with challenges like planting seeds, watching them grow, and noticing patterns in nature, or learning about the people, places, and things near you. There's so much to explore, create, and discover. And the best part? Once you complete your Little Star Award, you'll receive your very own personalized certificate and a bear or fox plush toy, depending on your level. Get ready to shine and show off all your amazing achievements with the Little Star Award. Fox and Bear can't wait for you to get started.